What up everybody, it's Alter Tech back again with a new video, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing this car charger. It does have 4 ports. It does have 1 port with Quick Charge 3.0, and so I was able to charge my LG G6 from like 20% to about 60% like within a half hour. So that was pretty impressive. So when you're in a long road trip where you do have like a bunch of people in the car and someone has an iPhone, someone has this, you're gonna need some extra cables, and you're gonna need a car charger with a bunch of ports. So with this one we have 2.4 amps for the top 3, and on the bottom we do have the Quick Charge 3.0. Now how does it work so far? It works pretty good, and now it's actually convenient. If you do Uber and Lyft, I know some of you guys are trying super hard to get that 5-star rating, so you got your bottle of water, you got your car charger cables, because a lot of people now they expect you to have all these cables to charge your phones up. So with this you do have an LED light. It's a blue LED light, so once you turn your car on or just turn the key on, that light turns on. It's blue. It's not too bright, it's just there. Like I said, for Uber riders or Lyft riders, or people who just pretty much do carpools or whatnot, or you have a lot of friends and family you're driving with, this is definitely very useful. I'll probably put like 2 iPhone cables, and I'll put like maybe 1 micro USB and a USB type C, so you guys can just mix it up. So if you're interested, I'll post the link down into the description. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like around 15 or 16 bucks. It's not too bad, but overall it is pretty good. It works, and I have nothing negative to say about it. It just gets the job done, and it does have a nice silver finish. So this is Alter Tech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day.